Better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look cook. Recipe book.
Welcome back, guys. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cook my oxtail, Jamaican style, so stay tuned. So firstly, you need to clean up your meat. So what you see I'm doing there is taking off the excess fat of the oxtail, and then I'm gonna be washing it with my vinegar. And then see, oh, my oxtail nice and pretty, like it grew up with both parents. Yes. So it's now time for me to season up my meat. You can use the season of your likings, but these are the season that I'll be using to season up my meat. So now that we added our season, I'm gonna be adding my pimento. I'm gonna be adding a little flash out on my chili powder, and I'm gonna be adding my browning. Next, I'm gonna be adding a little tubs of soy sauce. Yes. So now that we've added our seasoning, we're gonna be adding our green season. So what you see I have here is my sweet pepper, my onion, my scotch bonnet, and a little pinch or a little tubes of my ginger. So now that we've seasoned up our meat, we're gonna be adding our, the blend up procedure now. This is where I'm gonna blend up my thyme, my escallion, and my garlic. So now that our season procedure has finished, we're gonna, start off with our marinade. We're gonna let our oxtail marinate overnight. We want it seasoned to the bone, people. So yeah, I'm gonna try to achieve that. And this is how my oxtail look 12 hours later. Yes, well marinated and everything ready for the pot, ready for the pressure cooker, and everything ready to cook and ready to prepare. So stay tuned, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be adding all the meat in the pot at once and stir it a little, braise it. I'm gonna be braising it a little, so you will see the look I'm trying to achieve. So now that it's braised a little, I'm gonna be adding a little warm water to the pot and make it come to a boil just a little bit before we put it in the pressure cooker. And look at that, I'm gonna add no ketchup in the pressure yet. I already got that flavor of the thickness of the oxtail going. So guys, I did pressure the oxtail for like an hour and a half, and then transfer it into my Dutch pot, and this is the ending result. So I'm gonna be adding my ketchup and my beans for the finish look and the finished taste. So I'm gonna give this just 10 to 15 minutes more for us to get that gravy going, and then we're ready for eat. And this is how my oxtail came out, guys, looking lovely. Meat fall off for the bone and everything, seasoned to the bone. So if you enjoy watching this video, please to leave a like, share and subscribe. Bye.